Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and I'm from Basel. I had a Western Digital My Passport external hard disk, which was the size of 1 TB, and I had it since 2012. That hard disk basically contained all my data, all my pics, my videos, all the important documents, and unfortunately, the hard disk stopped working and I was not able to access my data. I got in touch with MPD Datarecovery and I was very much impressed and happy to see that how they actually handled the entire situation. They had their experts rather, had a detailed analysis of the hard disk, and they had given me a very in-depth diagnostic report, which actually showed that what exactly was wrong in my hard disk and where it went wrong, and post which it's my call that how if I want to go ahead and recover my data or not. And post everything was pretty clear, the commercials, and it was handled in a very professional way. Once my entire data was recovered, I got again a report stating that yes, what all files were being recovered from my corrupted hard disk, and which, if in case anything is missing out from him, I can, get in touch with the experts in MPD and try to recover the pending data as well. However, in my case, each and every 100% of the data was being recovered successfully. It was I'm very thankful to MPD in getting all my lost data. Certainly, it's a very much recommended company in terms of data recovery. They are having very good experts. They handle the situation in a very professional way. Everything is black and white, and there are no last moment surprises. Thank you, MPD, for your services.